And before we jump into the pipelines specifics, I want to show one more thing about the pipelines. It's how to install additional plugins or extensions for Azure DevOps. They can be useful in many ways, and I will be using one of those in that example pipeline for frontend. I will show you that in a minute, but first I wanted to show how to install it. We are going to install a plugin for Trivy. That's a security tool from the Aqua Security, and it can be installed into your Azure DevOps organization. You can always check what is available, and most of those plugins, they are published on GitHub. You can find them, but the way to install them is to go to your organization settings, and then under the extensions in general category, you can see what are the plugins or extensions that are currently installed. You can see that I don't have anything installed at the moment, but because it's a brand new project, and you can browse Marketplace to get any of the available extensions. They will be the same probably or shared with other extensions, and what I need is to have Trivy installed. And when I search for it, you can see that there are some available. Actually, this one is a little bit of a funny one. I think it's one of those fake extensions, so you need to be careful on what you install and double check that it is a real one. But that is the real one, and let's just open it and check it with this cool Trivy. The description looks exactly the same as the real one, but the publisher is different. So I suspect that it could be one of those fake extensions that are used to steal your code. Maybe not. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken there. But for the real one, this one from the Aqua Security Trivy, it has a lot of installs, so that's a good one. And we can get it. In order to install it, just click on Get It Free. And it will ask me if I want to install it to my organization. So yeah, pizza selector, let's install it. And yeah, it's that easy and that fast. So when we open our organization again and go to extensions, we will have Trivy extension installed, and basically that would mean that I can use this plugin now in any pipeline under any project in this organization as much as I want. The interesting bit here is that those plugins, actually you cannot install them if you are not the administrator of the organization, but you can request for them to be installed, and then the administrator of your organization can approve them and install them with if he thinks that those are the good ones. But it would be mostly for bigger organizations, and I suspect that you would be the administrator of your Azure DevOps organization in the beginning, and it would be possible for you to install all of the extensions as you see fit, and just be careful with what you install.